All my life, without a doubt, I give you all my life, for every second to the day I die. You and I will share all the things this changing world can offer. So I sing that I'd be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. It came along and then the sun did shining on our way. And I do recall that every moment spent was wasted time, and I chose to lay it on the line. I want this all my life, 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 I want you all my life. To my little sweetling,
Sweetly.
hope you're doing fine. I'm pretty far away, but I'll always make sure to make you smile every day. Just like this one. Happy birthday, kahit na masakit ka sa ulo, kahit na matigas ang ulo mo, kahit na maliit ang ilong mo, o bitin ang height mo, even though you're an idiot, you're my idiot. Ako lang ang dapat sumasakit ang ulo sa mga kapalpakan mo. You're this once-in-a-lifetime kind of girl that I want to be with through all my life. You're my kaya ko pa in this world full of ayoko na, tama na. We'll survive through the distance and see each other soon. Bagyo man ay mamamagitan at pili tayong ipalayo. Nung mag-alinlangan, hindi ako susuko kung di magkatapong mundo natin nasa magkabilang dulo. At kung tayo'y magkatagpo at muling magkalayo, magkatapong mundo natin nasa magkabilang dulo. At kung tayo'y magkatagpo, di ka na muling iiwan. Message para kay Angel sa camera niya, sabihin. Ano message niyo sa kanya?
Del. Del, thank you. Hindi ko talaga in-expect kasi nasa Canada siya. Tapos, alam ko madami tayo pinagdadaan ngayon. Pero thank you. Sobrang na-miss na kita. Ilang months pa lang, pero feeling ko years na tayo hindi nakikita. Thank you, I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.